Hi guys, this is our first lesson for Linux work. Okay, right click VMware Workstation and run as administrator. And then click edit, virtual network editor. Okay, this to configure our network for VMware Workstation. Okay, verify, click VMnet 0, verify that bridge is bridge to our network card. So we select your network card, then click OK. Okay, then click my computer, right click my computer and select new folder. Type your class. This I create my class 3A. Okay, rename the folder. Okay, click home. You can close other tab. Click close. Then click create a new virtual machine. Select typical. Click next. Then select I will install the operating next. In Linux, CentOS 864-bit. Next, rename the virtual machine name and click browse. Go to C, then click make new folder. Create new folder. So I click new folder, name my class 3A. Then click the new folder. Then make another new folder inside the 3A. Okay. Name the folder for the CentOS server. Okay. Then check, verify the location. Click next. Then we use the size is 100 gig. Select store single file. Then click customize hardware. Okay, now we customize memory set to 4 gig. Processor 2 core. It will be 4 core. Then for the CD drive, select I use ISO file. Okay, then click browse. Find your ISO, CentOS ISO. Click okay. Select the ISO. Click open. Okay, verify. You are select the ISO. Then click the network adapter. Select bridge, replicate physical network for physical network connection state. Okay, then click close. Okay. Okay, then click finish. Okay, now your verify back. Okay, your virtual machine is ready to run. Okay, drag your virtual machine into the 3A folder, into your folder. Okay, click power on this virtual machine to start the installation. Okay, I finish installing. Just click I finish installing. If the any pop-up and is the virtual machine ask about the installation. Okay, wait. The installation start. Okay, now select language. You can select either English, United States or UK. Click continue. Now set time and date. Click time and date and select your city and click done. Click software selection. Okay, software selection and select minimal install. Now we want to set up a minimal install. Okay, select standard. legacy Unix. Okay, then network server, system security tool, system tools, and that's it. Only five item. Click done. Okay, click done. Okay, next, installation destination. Click installation destination. Now, just verify, yeah, 100 gig. Okay, then click done. The local standard disk is 100 gig. Click done. And then next, network and host. Network and host name on the network. Okay, then after on we will get IP for our network. Click done. Now ready to install. Click begin installation. Okay, click begin installation. Okay, while install, we set up the password for root. Click root password, then enter the password for root. In this exercise, I use capital P alias SSW 0RD for the password. So in the exercise, I use all the same password for easier to remember. But in the real practice, don't use the same password for all the user and administrator. Use a different password. Okay. Now then click user creation. Enter your user full name, username, and make sure you tick the make this user administrator. Okay. Then enter the password. Click done. Okay. Then select until finish session. Okay. Now finish. Click reboot. Okay. After finish, click reboot. Okay. Wait until the system is reboot. Okay. Now we have a prompt. Okay. Login as root. Okay. We login as root. Okay. To check. Login as root. ROOT. Enter. Then enter your password. Don't worry, your password is hidden. Okay. Make sure you got a root prompt. Okay. Verify you are logging as root. Okay. Now check the IP using command IP space A. Okay. Write down your IP because we will use the IP for the next exercise. Okay. In this exercise, my IP 192.168.4.112. Wait. I write down my IP. Okay. Confirm. Okay. Let's do my IP. Okay, now we think to test to verify we have internet connection. Ping 1.1.1.1. Okay, yes, we got the connection. Okay, to start it, press Ctrl C. Okay, that's it. Finish for the installation.